Well, when somebody calls us that's been in an accident, they're scared, they're confused, and they don't know what the insurance company will do to help them or hurt them. So we're there to kind of guide them through the process and make sure they understand what their rights are and what they should expect from the insurance company, and to make sure if they need to go see a medical provider, that we make sure they're seeing them and that they're getting paid. In determining the value of someone's claim, it takes a lot of factors. And the first factor, and the most frustrating factor for most of my clients, is there's a lot of unknowns. And you can't really make a determination of what a person's case is worth until they're done treating medically. And that sometimes takes up to a year. And so until we're able to really find out what's wrong with a person and they've reached what we call maximum medical improvement, that's the first thing that we need to get through in order to evaluate a claim and tell the clients what their claim is worth. And then we go in and look at how much insurance is involved, and is there any other out-of-pocket medicals or lost wages, and all of those things make a determination of what a claim could be worth. One of the questions I get a lot is people will call me or people will come in and say, listen, the police officers say we're at fault and this is what happened. Well, one of the things that's important for all of my clients to understand is that it doesn't matter what the police officer said, because the police officer wasn't at the scene, wasn't at the accident, didn't witness anything. The only thing the police officer did was come and get information from the people that were involved in the accident. So what I tell people is bring the accident report in, tell me what happened, we'll look at it and we'll let you know whether we think you're at fault or you may have some comparative fault in it. In times where people are partially at fault for their own accident, there can be still ways for them to pursue compensation, not only from their personal injury protection benefits, which could be lost wages and medical bills, but also if there is some comparative fault on the other party, there may be some compensation that the person could get over and above what personal injury protection offers. When clients come to my office and they ask me, are we going to go to trial if we sign up with your firm? I'm going to tell them it's unknown at this point. I'd say probably about 70 to 80% of the cases that come into our firm never make it to trial, and about 60 to 70% of them never make it to a lawsuit. We wait until the client has reached maximum medical improvement, when they're as good as they're going to get, and then we start negotiating with the insurance company. If those negotiations break down, then we bring the clients in and say, okay, they want to give you less than your case is worth. Let's go ahead and file a lawsuit. And then we file a lawsuit in those cases. We take depositions, we'll go to mediation, and a good portion of the time the cases will be settled at mediation. If they're not, then we proceed to trial, and it's quite a lot of fun for our firm because we like trying cases. It's really important that our clients understand that a reputation with defense attorneys as well as insurance companies, that a law firm is not afraid to spend money in going to trial, spend money in hiring experts, spend money the same way that the insurance companies are. It's a great benefit to our clients because they're not going to be bogged down by an attorney that the insurance company has pigeonholed, that, listen, we can push him around, we can bully him or her because we know that they're not going to put this in suit, or if they do, that they're not going to trial. The insurance company doesn't have that luxury with our firm.